Welcome to the Tennessee Aquarium IMAX 3D Theater. We're about to take you on a thrilling giant screen adventure using our state-of-the-art IMAX with Laser projection system. You have some pretty amazing gear to help you enjoy the extraordinarily bright, sharp, colorful, and above all, big images produced by this cinematic technology. When viewed through the specially designed 3D glasses you'll wear during the show, the output from our dual 4K laser projectors is combined into a stunningly vivid and lifelike 3D image. Of course, your safety is our first priority, so after each screening, these glasses undergo a thorough disinfection process. After the film, you'll deposit your 3D glasses in a bin outside the theater exit. The glasses then take a trip through a powerful washer where they're scrubbed in hot water that's heated to 125 degrees Fahrenheit. Our rigorous cleaning process combines this hot water with a hospital-grade disinfectant that's approved by the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency for use against COVID-19. This process ensures that each pair of glasses has been sterilized to safeguard your health and well-being. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. And thank you for supporting the Tennessee Aquarium IMAX 3D Theater.